Slab is ready, now it's time to start framing. In this video, we'll raise the first walls, anchor to the concrete, and finish framing the first floor. But first, my dad Harry and Uncle Jim arrived the night before, and we picked out a spot for their tent. You said you wanted level?
Level?
Yeah, it's like...
level and square.
Right. So it comes with a dryer.
Oh, did you already prepare this site? Leveler than we slept in on Kilimanjaro.
Yeah, that's true.
And it has the additional advantage of not being 27 degrees. So
We also have, I can offer you gravel. So we can do some leveling with gravel.
I don't have to gravel, you're my son.
But you see what I put up with?
Yeah. How long was that drive?
No, but yeah.
Too long.
It does have a ensuite bathroom.
Wow.
You can see right here. So, you know, practically right outside your door.
Okay.
Did we straighten out the Wall Street Journal? Will be here tomorrow morning.
You have cots to sleep on, so you don't even have to worry about what the ground's gonna feel like.
This is a 70-year-old tent we're talking about.
Oh, sorry, I thought you were about to talk about yourself.
You're talking about a 70-year-old guy. Tent will hang up just fine.
Mr. Massachusetts from a camping store, literally 70 years ago.
Actually, literally, not how people use literally now.
Correct. It's good as gold.
And in the morning, we started by checking how square the slab came out.
3 is right over. 40 feet, 2 7/8. Awesome.
The thing was square. Now, let's see if you got it level. If you put a marble on this slab, where's it going to go? Probably going to sit still.
Yeah.
Do we have one? All right, so this, a locally high spot right here. So this is level, that's not. It just might not be a big deal because we're going to take long pieces of wood and bolt them down here. And
I mean, like, is the wood even level? Like,
right, exactly.
The first of many lines we'd pull.
Let's do the next one next. Let's do the one.
With large windows so close together, the king and jack studs for each window formed a solid wood stud wall. We placed 2x4s in the ground to prevent accidentally tossing the entire south wall down the hill.
Ready?
Yep.
All right.
Oh. Wow, super easy. Barely an inconvenience. We're like a couple inches away from the edge, though.
Yeah.
Over the phone. I want to see if because we can see the concrete system. Yeah, I guess we'll do that. I guess we'll use that method on the other thing as well. We haven't even gotten past the wood yet.
Nothing against DeWalt, but the battery-powered hammer drill just wasn't cutting it, so I ran into town and rented the big boy.
I know where 7 inches is, right?
Yeah. See where all the slurry is?
Yeah.
How far is that?
That's 5.
So we got 2 more to go.
We went with 10-inch anchor bolts to reach 7 inches into the slab.
Okay, so you're down, 8.5,
Okay.
9 inches, so that's plenty.
That's what we need, right? Yeah.
They just hit bottom.
All right, ready? On 3? 1, 2, 3.
That's about it. But yeah, we did know that we would be over on this because this is the slab was a little short on that one side. Now we got to come out They're like 1/8 of an inch short.
I paid the crew in beer. We put sill seal on the bottom of each wall to keep it tight. And we were joined the next day by my dad's friend John, which made lifting these walls even easier.
Nice. All right, clock. That's a view. That's a view clock. All right, so then we can.
Quality control keeping us square. In the hot midday sun, I managed to convince everyone to take a walk down to the creek for a break. Remember, every like this video gets helps prevent heat stroke. Then it was back to lifting walls. The west wall was the easiest to frame and the lightest to lift.
All right. Oh, looks like we're going on one. On zero. That's all right. We're going.
And the final downstairs wall was up. And plumb. Then it was back to drilling anchor holes.
Oh, good. Yep. So that's twice I just threw up there just to hold them together.
This time I used a sacrificial nut to pound in the bolt because the previous time I'd kind of mangled the top of the bolt and it was tough to get a wrench on it. That tiny washer is code compliant, but we went with these thick boys. I'm using a string on the back there with 2 pencils on either side spacing it out. So when the string is a pencil width from the bottom sill, you know that the wall's straight. When you tighten it, it pulls on the flared metal at the bottom, which expands to anchor it. That's not going anywhere.
First interior wall.
unscrewed, so now we just need to toenail this to the bottom plate.
First floor completely finished framing. We left the sheathing off for now because we wanted the walls to be a little lighter to put up. We didn't want to be dealing with wind. We just wanted to make sure everything was gonna stay up. So entranceway, under the stairs, bathroom. You can see the pipe there for the toilet and the pipe in the wall for the sink. Pantry, drainage pipe to the second floor, along with the water coming in, which you can see pipes in from that blue pipe right there. Open floor plan. This is where the kitchen will be. That's the conduit to run from the wall to the island to bring electricity to the island. Kitchen sink. Got all that. You can see we have the top plates on. So those are tied together with the top plates. Same thing with the internal walls. These internal walls are bolted down with the 3-inch Tapcons, whereas the outside ones are 10-inch rods that expand when you tighten them, when they start to pull back out. South-facing wall. This is where the staircase will be. The second floor.
Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about why we did something a certain way. There's usually a method to our madness, but sometimes we just don't know what we don't know. That's what we managed to accomplish in week 1. Sorry I didn't capture every step in much detail. It's hard to film and build at the same time, but over the coming weeks, I'll make sure we zoom in on different parts of the process.